Welcome to Fook VR YouTube channel. For those new to my channel is about programming, specifically Android programming. If you find the video interesting, please click like and subscribe to the latest videos, or you can come to my blog to see the latest articles. Hello everyone. Back to the basic note-taking series using Jetpack Compose. We finished the Note Compose in the previous video, which can be reused many times. In this post, I have added a new composable to the design to expand the application further. That's the composable ColorPicker. So now, you'll start working on a ColorPicker composable, like the one shown below. The ColorPicker allows the user to code their notes by assigning specific colors to them. The user can open the ColorPicker by clicking on the color palette icon in the app bar or by pulling from the bottom edge of the screen. The ColorPicker allows the user to code their notes by assigning specific colors to them. Users can open the ColorPicker by clicking Image and Note Composable. To make the ColorPicker composable, we will create a ColorPicker KT and composable. Add the following code. In the design, two components work together to make the ColorItem composable: NoteColor and text. I added arrangement, center and alignment. Center, horizontally, so that they can be centered in column. You have yet to use one new modifier, Modifier.clickable in column. With that modifier, you made the whole ColorItem clickable. As mentioned before, it's a good practice to expose click events to parent composables. To accomplish that, you pass the onColorSelect color call for the on.Click. onColorSelect is of type unit, which is known as a function type. This specific function type says that the function that will be passed to it should take color model as an argument. To execute it, you use the default call operator, onColorSelect color, using the function name. When the user clicks on a note, the function passed for the onColorSelect parameter will execute. Finally, add the following preview function to the bottom of Save Note screen KT so you can preview your color item. Item. You just invoked color with the default color defined in color model KT. For onColorSelect, you passed an empty lambda since you don't need it for the preview to work. Thanks to Kotlin, you can pass the second argument as a trailing lambda. Now, build the project. In the preview panel, you'll see this. With ColorItem in place, it's a piece of cake to build ColorPicker. Add the following code of Save Note screen KT, just above ColorItem. Item. To create the color picker in the code above, you used a column to align its title and list of colors, so that they can appear as designed. We use LazyVerticalGrid to wrap them. ColorPicker has two parameters. It takes the list of color models, and like the ColorItem, it exposes the click event parameter. To visualize what you've built so far, add the preview composable of Save, Note, Screen, KT. Here, you invoked ColorPicker and passed it a list of default colors. For onColorSelect, you passed an empty lambda since you're not interested in interacting with the composable at this stage. Build the project and check the preview panel to see this. Well done. See you at the next lesson. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it interesting, please press the like button, and subscribe to the channel, or you can invite me for a cup of coffee by buying me a coffee.